What's good, man? It's your boy King Kirk, and we back with another video. And today I'm finna tell y'all the reason I stopped using Seamoss. But before we get into the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We on the road to 1 million, and ain't no stopping till we get it. So if you don't know what Seamoss is, it's an ocean plant typically grown in the Caribbean islands, North America, and Europe. They say this plant has 90 plus minerals and our body only needs 102. So with that being said, that was the main reason that made me get into this plant and made me, want to put it in my body. So I added Seamoss to my diet a few years ago. I got into it once I watched some Dr. Sebi interviews and seen Left Eye from TLC using it as well. So once I seen how beautiful she was looking from using it and how much praise Dr. Sebi gave the plant, I'm like, it's only right I add it to my diet and see what it do for me. So my first batches that I was getting were from Jamaica, from a company in Jamaica. The quality I felt like was amazing. I mean, and to this day I don't really know what is the greatest Seamoss, but the supplier I was getting from Jamaica, I felt good, it went down smooth, my stomach wasn't hurting or nothing like that. So that was the company I was dealing with. So after dealing with them for like 5-6 months, they stopped selling Seamoss. So once they stopped selling it, I had to find a new supplier. So I ended up, I think, getting some off Amazon, and it was cool. It wasn't as good as the supplier from Jamaica, but it did the job. So I was messing with them for a couple months and ended up getting tired of it. I didn't like the quality because I was so hooked on the quality from Jamaica. So I stopped using them, and then I ended up going to a supplier, a local supplier from a grocery store, and I used theirs, and that probably was the worst batch. My stomach kind of was irritated. I wasn't really feeling it like that. So I'm like, man, I think I'm gonna stop using Seamoss. So basically the moral of the story, the reason why I stopped using Seamoss is because I can't find any consistent suppliers. In my opinion, I feel like it's more bad Seamoss than good Seamoss. And I want the Seamoss that Dr. Sebi was talking about, and the Seamoss that Left Eye was giving so much praise and stuff like that. I want that Seamoss in my body. So I'm done using it until I can find consistent companies. I don't like to just bank on one company. I like to get, at least have 2 or 3 different companies I can go to and get quality products. So with that being said, I stopped using it. I can't find any quality Seamoss that I feel like is quality. But if you know where some Dr. Sebi Seamoss is, or some Left Eye Seamoss, comment below. There's a lot of people in this same position can't find great products, and trying to add some goodness to their diet. So if you feel like you got some Dr. Sebi Seamoss, the Seamoss that Dr. Sebi always talked about, comment below so we can all get some quality products, man. Because at the end of the day, it's about greed and money. So I'm already knowing these companies, some care but a lot don't. They just trying to get their check. You know what I'm saying? It's America. But if you found some trustworthy companies, comment below so I can get back to using my Seamoss. I haven't used it in like 6-7 months. It's been a while, but I'm not gonna use it if I continue to get bad products. So I'm good on that. My body is the most important thing. So I thought I should touch on this and make this video, because I'm pretty sure there's people out there who's looking for quality Seamoss but can't find it. But that's pretty much it for this video. Like always, I will be back. It's your boy King Kirk, and I'm out.